In this blues ukulele video, we're going to go over, this is going to be one of your favorite licks to play of all time. This is the turnaround. All right, so that is what you're going to be learning in this video. But before we get there, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification. Well, only do that if you're into ukuleles, reviews, and tutorials, and also Guitarlele and the Baritone as well. You've come to the right place. So this is part of some blues videos I'm doing. We did one on the shuffle, really super important. We also did one on the coolest intro lick of all time for the blues. If you haven't seen those videos, go back and check those out. I'll put a link to those as well. This is all in preparation of the blues webinar that we got coming up with Tyler from 10 Thumbs Pros and myself, and then also the new Blues Mastery course that we're going to be releasing at ukelikethepros.com. So this one's going to be a fairly short video because I'm just going to show you what I played earlier, which is this. Now I'm going to teach you that. I'm going to show you where that is in the blues form, the 12-bar blues form. This is the turnaround. And this again, I'm not going to, or I can't stress enough the importance of the blues, getting this stuff down, understanding it. Trust me when I say it's going to help everything. Your timing, your confidence, your ear training, your technique. This blues right here, because it's such a powerful impact on all of music, that once you get this down, your whole world of music's going to be opened up to you. You're going to be better at your finger picking, at your strumming, at your songs, playing with others. That right there, I will guarantee you on that. All right, so we're going to do this turnaround here, and then in the next video, I'm going to show you how to apply that turnaround to an actual 12-bar blues. But right now, this is just about the turnaround. So right there, you're going to start, and I'm going to use these fingers, my second and my third finger here on the 4th fret, strings 3 and 1. And on my right hand, I'm going to go thumb. Well, you probably want to go index and thumb. You may see me doing thumb, middle, thumb. Either way is fine. That's just what I prefer, but probably for you, thumb and index. So we're going to do 4, 4, 4. Was that enough? 4, 4, 4. There you go. Yep. And by the way, that's on beat 2. So it's like 3, 4, 1, 2. Those are triplets. 3 notes per beat. That's a triplet. So it's 2 triplet. Slide it down to the 3rd fret. Do the same thing. 3 triplet. Slide it down. 4 triplet. And then on beat 1 of the next fret, you're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And. So on beat 1, all I'm doing is going to hammer on open 3rd string to the 1st fret. So that's like a, and then I'm going to hit the open 1st string, open 2nd string. And then I'm going to strum a E7, that's fine for now, on the and of 2, tie it, and then up, down, up. And that's it. Okay, so just that measures 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And if I put it together nice and slow, it's going to go 3, 4, 1, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And now that right there, you could then repeat and do the whole blues again, or you can just end it on A7. Like I said, the next video, we're going to show you how to apply that to a 12-bar blues. This video is just about that turnaround, okay? So let's go. We'll do it a couple times. Let's do it nice and slow, and then we're going to speed it up a little faster. Here we go. 3, 4, 1, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1. And then for our purposes today, just end it on the A7. All right, so that was actually kind of fast. Let's just do that again, maybe a hair faster, and then we'll be good. Here we go. 3, 4, 1. And then give me a little tremolo on that. All right, get this down. Like I said, the next video, we're going to show you how to apply it. Don't forget also, click that link below to sign up. The Blues webinar with Tyler from 10 Thumbs Pros and myself. And then get ready. Get ready, because if you're liking this, you're going to love the Blues Mastery course by Ukelikethepros.